All right, Halo, this is workout for Monday, April 13th. This workout is pretty challenging. It's two parts. Part one is 3 movements focused more on strength and slow paced. And then part 2 is a combination of core work and plyometrics, really focused on getting you sweaty and working your core. So this is how part 1 works. We're gonna do 5 sets of 15 repetitions on each exercise. It's going to be 1 through 3 are the exercises we'll show you in a second. And you're going to decide your rest period. So you'll do a set of the exercise, relax, do it again. So 5 total sets, 15 reps each. Then move on to the next exercise, exercise 2, and then exercise 3. So if you take a look at the movements, you would do a shoulder press for 15 repetitions. Then you would rest. Then you would do it again, and then rest. So you would do 5 sets. Then you would do a squat to a front raise, 5 sets. Then you would do a thruster for 5 sets. After you've done 5 sets of 15 on each one, which will probably take you about 25 minutes, take a break, okay? And then get ready for part 2. On a running clock, you go 15 minutes, as many rounds as possible on exercises 1 through 3 in part 2. You're gonna do, basically on each is 20 reps. So these are those movements. So part 2, you're gonna do reverse crunches. You would do 1 of those for 20, and then you go right into Russian twists, do 20 of those. Then you go right into a volleyball block, and you keep going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, over and over on a running clock for 15 minutes straight, repeating it as many rounds as possible. So 1 round is completing 1, 2, 3, that's 1 round, and then do it again. So let's take a look at the movements. We'll start with the weightlifting ones. So Tyler's gonna start with the shoulder press. We're gonna demonstrate with a ball. So he does 15 repetitions, up and down he goes. So let's say he completed his 15 repetitions, okay? So he puts it down, drops it on the floor, catches his breath, tries to recover. Okay, and he goes again, another 15. You might need more rest than that. It's really up to you to decide what your goals are. If you're looking for more muscular development, give yourself more recovery. If you're looking for more definition and tone, make your rest periods much shorter, okay? Then he moves on after doing 5 sets in a row on that shoulder press. He does a squat to a front raise. Squat, front raise. So he does 15 repetitions. Let's say he finishes 15, he takes a breather, and then he completes another set. He would do a total of 5 sets, okay? And then the last movement is a thruster. Everyone loves a thruster, very hard one. So squat, press over your head. And he would do 15 of those, take a break. And then he would recover. That was like no rest. You might want to rest longer than that.
You gotta speed up the video.
You gotta speed up the video, of course, but we wanna make sure you guys understand it. But that would be, 5 sets with a rest in between. So he went through the weightlifting workout. That whole pattern of 5 sets of those 3 movements, shoulder press, squat to front raise, and thruster right here, those would have probably taken you, if you were taking adequate rest periods, probably about, anywhere from 15 to 20, 25 minutes, depending on what your goal is. All right, now we move on to the sweaty part. So we're gonna be doing reverse crunches, Russian twist, and volleyball box. So take a look at here. Tyler's doing some reverse crunches first. He bangs out 20 repetitions. Then he goes right into a Russian twist. Does 20 of those, and then stands up, and he goes right into 20 volleyball blocks. And then he repeats that. That was 1 round, and he would do it again. And he would keep doing it over and over and over again for 15 minutes straight, okay? That is quite a challenge, all right? So that's the workout for Monday. It's gonna be a tough one. So first section is pure strength training. Second section is really gonna get your heart rate up, working on core and cardio, okay? We miss you guys. We'll see you soon.